Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install linking your credit card to Google Wallet beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Wallet app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is open, sign in to your Google account if prompted. Look for the option to add payment method on the home screen. Tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. You may be asked to allow the app access to your camera. If so, grant permission for easier card scanning. Position your card within the frame to scan. Alternatively, you can enter your card information manually. Fill in the required fields, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure the billing address matches the one linked to your card. Once all details are entered, tap Save or Next to proceed. You might need to verify your card via a text message or email. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After verification, your card will be linked to Google Wallet. You can set it as your default payment method if desired. Explore other features in Google Wallet for managing your linked cards. You're now ready to use your credit card with Google Wallet for purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.